What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's finally the 4th of July, which we've all been waiting for. Isn't that right, Cameron?
Yeah.
All been waiting for it. We're gonna do a smoke bomb comparison. First is desert smoke. Hold up, I gotta time it. There's Clyde, the blue Weimaraner.
Oh yeah. It's got a whole Instagram.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so first we're starting off with the desert smoke. I'm gonna time it. 3. I'll just time it as when it's coming out. Oh damn. It's not very thick smoke.
May just be the blue color.
Mm-hmm. We're at 18 seconds. It's probably also the wind.
Yeah.
Alright, so that was a waste of money. And it lasted around 35 seconds. Not too good. Next up is the Maddox 5-minute smoke.
Oh, that's hot.
What was that? Here, blow that out. There it goes.
Damn. I didn't know that about smoke.
Yeah. You don't want the flame or else it's not going to smoke. Oh ho, okay. We're at around 30 seconds. Damn wasps, dude. Okay. Gotta get that B-roll. It's definitely not 5 minutes. We're at a minute right now, and it's barely coming out.
I mean, maybe the 5-minute smoke is just really bad.
Mm-hmm.
Shut black.
Alright, well, as you can see, it's not 5 minutes. It's like a minute. Alright, so we're just lighting a few small things throughout the day. Just have a little bit of fun. Oh, God. God. That was loud. That was really loud. Oh, my God. We have another one of those, too.
We're getting those again.
Yeah, that was really good.
I honestly didn't believe when it said it all goes off in like half a second.
That was like half a second. Camera, watch out.
How you doing? Oh.
Oh my God.
Get off that rock. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those did not sound like jumping jacks.
Oh no, that was a wolf pack.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, what the hell? So Cameron's lighting a parachute rocket. Oh, it's coming down.
It didn't deploy.
A little bit. It's going in the tree. Oh my God. Oh, you gotta catch it, Cameron. You gotta jump in the pool for it.
Where are you gonna throw it?
Over there. Those things are huge. Look at all the smoke. Alright, so we're doing a full pack of sparklers at once. Cameron's lighting. Hey, but here, hit him. Oh! This is gonna get scary when it starts crackling. Hey, watch how close it is. Oh shit, caught on your shirt. So as you can see, we're not at my house anymore. I had the good idea of making a dry ice bomb. And we're running out to get some dry ice. We just got the 2 liters and we picked up some smoke balls. So, catch y'all back when we get the dry ice. Bitch. Yeah. You saw how hard that thing was bubbling.
Look at the top.
Yeah, you just... God!
Holy. Alright, Joe, you ready?
It's capped on. No. Alright, so we're doing like, what? 4 packs?
34 packs.
And there's 8 in each. 8, 16, like 30 something smoke bombs. Oh, they're all going. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's a class.
Jeez. You happy now?
Yeah.
Alright, so Cameron's lighting another happy bomb. These things are insane. Alright, so we got the good idea of drenching the fire in lighter fluid. Cameron's hitting it with a Roman candle. Better be able to aim good.
I'm scared to see this go on.
We were holding it the wrong way.
Aim down. You cannot aim. Oh, there, it's gonna go. Alright, so as you can see, it's getting a little darker. Cameron is about to hit a, what's it called? Avenger Missile.
Yeah.
And it's quick fused and it's tiny, so.
That's not.
You know. Okay, so we got all the fireworks out here under a tarp for the dew condensation, so you can see them all. Okay, and then the finale board is still inside. We're just getting everything ready. It's getting a little darker, as you can see. I think we're about to, what are we moving them?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're moving them because we're going to be launching from right here. And we don't want the fireworks that close because that can be a little dangerous. So we're just moving them a little bit and then catch y'all where we end up next. Alright, so Cameron's about to hit the cuckoo fountain. Bag up. Bag up there. I bet it's gonna whistle. That's actually pretty nice. Yeah. Oh dang. That was pretty good. Yeah. For a fountain. What's next? Diamond cutter. Oh dang. I thought that was about to like do that big crackle. Alex is hitting a 12-inch missile. You gotta click it again. Hold on, no. Never mind. That was loud. Cameron's hitting Pyro Fan. Is this from the Kroger?
Yeah.
Okay. If he can learn how to use a torch. There it goes. Oh, that's cool. There goes that fat ass crackling. Was that a killer bee?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna whistle. What's this one called?
This is from Phantom.
Fiery Cloud. Oh, hold up. That shoots flame. That's a cake.
Is it really?
It says shoots flaming balls.
What's this one for?
It's gonna shoot up. Yep. That's kind of cool. Cameron's hitting X-Force rocket. God, oh my God, my toes burning. All right, X-Force rocket. These, from what I can remember, these are pretty good. Alex's rocket was really good. Did you see it like twirling?
Yeah.
That was cool.
Might as well, it's Phantom, so we'll go.
Yeah, it's probably gonna shoot 2. It says 7 shots, probably about 2. Toot and Twirl by Phantom Fireworks. And here we go. And it tipped over. Yeah, we're not doing that anymore. Right next to all this. Bro, I was looking up and you're like, yo. Yeah, let's leave this covered.
I saw it rolling on the ground.
Yeah, no. See, Phantom every single time. Every time it's Phantom.
We had the jumping jacks that were
Yep.
soaked. Alright.
Alright, if we're doing cakes, they're going in that cinder block. Alright, so what are we doing? 2 mines? What's this one? Cosmic Mine. Something, I don't know. Damn, I know that burnt you. What?
That wasn't mine.
No. Maybe it's a different one that's a mine. What was this? What's this one? Maybe it says mine on it. Floral shell. Yeah, they're one shots. They're single shots.
They're crap.
I hear stuff hissing over there. Those things are so bad. All right, so what are we hitting now? Copperhead?
Mini Copperhead.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
I think you put it in upside down. Damn. That blew up in the tube.
Definitely did.
That blew up in the tube.
Yep.
Huh? No. All right, so we're gonna be doing a shell comparison of Exterminator versus Excalibur because yesterday, me and Cameron ran out and got Excaliburs because everybody in the comments was saying you'll be surprised. So we're gonna test these out.
Exterminator on the right.
Hopefully it's okay in that tube.
Excalibur on the left.
Cameron?
Exterminator going first.
How can you get any bigger than that?
That was Exterminator.
This one's probably gonna be louder. Here goes an Excalibur. Damn.
This broke lower.
Yeah, they broke lower because the tube's shorter. What's your 2 cents on Excalibur versus Exterminator?
Well, we launched it when it was a little bright outside, we'll say that.
Yeah.
The Exterminator, in my opinion, was actually a little bit louder.
Mm-hmm.
But the Excalibur did have a better display, but it broke lower, so it's kind of hard to compare.
Yeah.
Honestly, people can hate me. I kind of like the Exterminator
Same.
a little bit better.
That's what I was gonna say.
Right now though. We'll see about later on tonight.
I would say they're both really good. They're both good shells. Can't knock them, either one of them. But I would say Exterminators are better. But it's all personal opinion. About to hit, what is these called?
These are
Mini Magnum.
Yeah, something like that.
Mighty Magnum. These are Mini Magnums. By what, Mega Banger?
Much better than the copyright.
I swear to God. Anything from Phantom has gone wrong. What we've had. Hold up, where are you hitting? Where are you hitting? What are you? Color Pearl.
Unique. That's in your block.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Cameron, is that what you like?
Yeah.
I like that.
It's a whatever.
Joe, am I going to be on your YouTube channel again?
Yes.
Those are pretty.
Hey, it didn't explode.
It's gonna catch on fire though. Home. You had to grab something. I don't know. Oh God. Here we go.
Is it supposed to be that?
Not really. Oh, look at that. That was cool. All right, Alex is
Are these
hitting
loud?
2 Saturn batteries at once. Yeah.
Not loud.
It should hit them both. Yeah. Oh God. What are you doing, ball shell? What
Black
brand?
Box Artillery, but it's going to be in a
Okay.
Maximum Blast tube.
Yeah, 'cause,
the other tube.
We kind of left it outside,
Yeah.
and it got waterlogged. But hopefully it goes up.
Oh my God.
God, I didn't see it come. All right, so what are we doing?
This is the Maximum Blast front lines.
Looks dangerous shell.
Yeah, it looks dangerous.
They got really good shape to them, so I'm thinking it'll be a good break. Wait a minute. It's got a nice break. Hitting another looks dangerous.
No, this
Oh, wait,
is the
this
Black
like-
Box.
Is that what the other one was too?
Yeah.
That's why. Black box.
Yeah.
All right, so Cameron's gonna throw a ball shell.
Dude,
Here, do you mean to hold the fuse out so it doesn't jump on you?
honestly, you want to throw it?
I don't care if you record. Gonna be like your ladybug, I think.
That's cool.
That was like really cool.
That one was nice. I like the whistle.
Oh yeah, without a doubt.
What else should we do? Oh, we're still one of your rockets.
All right.
You want to? Okay, Cameron, what are you doing? Sun
Sun
ring.
ring.
All right. It's about Maddox. I'm excited for these. I feel like they're gonna be loud. If he can get it inside the tube. Hit it. Has some good color. Cameron's hitting another X-Force rocket. What's this one called?
Avenger Missile.
All right.
Dumb.
It's got a cool shape to it.
Wizard wolf.
How are you supposed to light that? A missile. Alright, what is this? Just a big old missile. These ones are nice, they're loud.
Yeah, I know. Like, got high.
Mm-hmm. Cameron's hitting Snafu, 9-shot, 200-gram cake. Has some good color.
Yeah.
Cameron's doing a double break shot. Another double break shot. Alright, Cameron's about to hit another submarine rocket. Alright, window shaker. Alright, another double break. I just popped a perky to get my mind right. Damn. Yeah. Cameron's hitting patriotic boom. His GoPro. That was really good. Goes another sun ring rocket. It should go up. That's my final words. Austin, you might want to run. Another double break show. Alright, 2 double breaks at once. Hopefully this goes good. Both went. Alright, that's good enough.
Hey, let me put my face over.
We have 2 torches. You hit that one, I'll hit this one.
Jeremy Joe.
Hold up, no. I hit something.
Get him lit.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. God, I didn't get mine. Oh my God, Cameron, move. This one's frag.
Sure.
It's got fuse clapped in. Oh, I gotta get in the open. This one is beastly. Most of these are by Dominator, but I don't know which one this is by. Or who this is by. Beastly. Magic crystal. What? Yeah, wait a minute. Those things are so loud. Lawless?
Flawless.
Okay. Alright, 2 more window shakers at a time. Alright, what's this one called? Heavy ammo? Yep. This one looks pretty good. The tubes are big. Dang. Dude, that was nice. I like that like hanging. Look at it. Dude, that's really good. I like that hanging crackle. All right, this one's called Death Ray. Is that what you said? Death Ray.
My GoPro.
I'm not focusing. Up next is Air Force One. Here, Cameron, I'm gonna light some. I wanna light some, then you can record me. I'll do the next whatever we do. My fault.
My fault.
Come on, hit the fuse. Damn, that's got a lot of shots.
Yeah.
That's why I got a finale to it.
Really bright.
Alright.
Are the nose red?
Yep.
Alright, this one's Let It Rip.
Let it rip.
Alright, this one's called Earthquake by T-Sky. This one's gonna be good. Alright, here goes roundup. 350 grams.
350 grand.
Man, that burnt my hand.
That one was really good, yeah.
Well, Cameron's doing another. What are these? Those maximum danger or whatever? Alright, looks dangerous. Alright. 3, 2, 1. God, one of them didn't hit. Can you shine a light?
Yeah. 2 of them didn't go.
Yeah. Hit yours, hit yours. There you go. What the heck? Why didn't that one go?
I hit it. You hit it, yeah.
I don't know. It's a little scary. I swear to God, that's how I'm not walking up on it.
You don't know which tube it is.
It's the far one on my side.
On your
Which side?
The far right one, isn't it? Do not look down in it. Just
Tip it over.
take it out and tip it over, yeah, in the grass. Oh my god, that's scary.
Holy fuck. That's hot.
It's hot? Dude, I swear to God.
It's just a dust. We're all good.
I got some.
Throw it down here. Do you want to pick it up and throw it down there?
Throw it in the fire.
No. No,
I'll throw it in the fire.
No, we can do it later when my dad's not out here. 4 maximum danger shells at once. 3, 2, 1. They all went. That went right between those trees.
Yeah. We got lucky.
I swear, we got lucky with everything. 4 cans at once.
You're sitting there.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my Lanta!
Okay, 4 exterminators at once.
3, 2, 1. That echoed so far.
Yeah, I know. All right, Peekaboo by World Class. Strobing Willow. This one can be a good old one. That was really good. Bling bling.
Bling bling.
Classic cake. Jeez. Does your work. Alright, this is Loud Cloud. God, that was good. I swear to God. Alright, my sister's lighting a canister shell.
Ready?
Yeah.
Are you guys gonna run?
Yes.
Should I run?
Yes.
No, you can just stand right there.
Oh, really?
Go.
Oh, God.
Alright, Mobile Menace. It's fanned.
Couple lights.
God! Alright, so we're fusing up 4 more canister shells at once. And then after this, we're getting ready for the finale. I can hit this one. If you hit that one. Okay.
Hold on. This thing. Fine.
It's good, it's good. 1, 2, 3. This is 8 mini. What are they? Mighty mini.
With a few mods
Yeah.
in it.
Jeez. All right, this is Wacky Tobacco. No
How
web.
much was this one?
70.
$70?
Yep.
Gotta be worth
God. That was nice. Here we go. Finale.
Oh my god. Gotta get some film, Joe.
Yep.
I bet Dad's gonna freak out.
Probably.
How many
There goes a
shells
quick
is
fuse.
it?
18.
Oh my god. Joe, this is a bad idea.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god.
18?
Yeah. God.
Damn, I did that in slow motion.
Ooh. I got goosebumps.
Alright, so this is Joe's sister, Marie Raw.
We're flipping the tubes to make sure they all came out.
Oh god, don't, because it's gonna snap off.
Don't touch it now.
Yep. Put that one in the fire, Joe.
It's in there.
If I could blast it in the head with a log, I'd Oh god, that's on.
Oh, it's on fire.
Oh god. I'm way too close.
Did that just go? It's also on fire.
I'm not gonna lie, they're so cute.
It's on fire. It's flashing.
Yeah.
God, I'm just glad it's done now.
Yeah.
I guarantee.
Stop. Don't even. Shut up, Austin.
It looks like it's dangerous.
Shut up, Austin.
Let's have a war with them.
Huh? Stop. You're gonna hit me with that and not realize it.
I'm gonna throw this in the air.
Do it.
What?
Oh my god. Alright, this is Wicked Insane 200 gram zipper cake, 78 shots. Here we go. This one's gonna be interesting. Oh god. Oh, that's cool. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video so far. I wanted to pop in and to give you all a little explanation on why we did another mini finale. It's because my neighbor came over and she wanted to see our fireworks, so we decided that we had enough quick views left so that we would do another finale for her. So that's why. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, it's about to go. Did you hear me? Oh well, just send it.
Y'all ready?
11 shells. Yeah,
We're doing it.
11 shells.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's going. Oh my god. That was awesome. Okay. We're gonna do another comparison. This is an Exterminator shell. Happy. God. Listen to that echo though. So we heard the echo and the color from the Exterminator. Now goes the next kill. God, that crackle though, dude. That crackle is insane.
Yeah.
Like even just the crackle echoes, it's fucking crazy. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I had a ton of fun making it. I'm sure you did too, Cameron.
Yep.
As you saw, that finale was pretty crazy for us at least. I mean, for some of y'all got $10,000 to spend on 4th of July, but our situation, we do not. We're definitely going to be doing a video for New Year's. We're going to be doing a shopping and probably not a stash video, but we'll definitely do a New Year's Eve video for the show. Next year we do plan on going bigger. We're probably going to end up getting a 30-shot rack. I think so. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Watch out for some more content. And also, drop down in the comments and leave me suggestions on videos y'all want to see, because right now I don't got too many good ideas. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.